I have these cat ear plushies, Jujutsu Kaisen ones. They are, I guess, kind of like Labubu's. Came in a box of 6, or well, I ordered a box of 6. These are the character options. I kept seeing tons of videos on them, and I thought they were really cute. Let's see who we got in the first box. We got Nanami, so cute. The little ears are squished in. Then we got Gato. Another box. This is box number 3. Let's see. Ooh. Got Gojo. So cute. Box number 4. Toji, look at him, he's so adorable. 5th box. Nopara. Last box, by the way. I decided to do this when my children are sleeping. That's why I'm in my PJs. Probably look miserable. That's okay. I just wanted to do this with you guys so that maybe you guys might, I don't know, think they're cute like I do. Last box. Well, at least it's not a double. I don't remember this guy's name. I just know he's not a main character. This is got Gato, Nami, this dude, Toji. Can't tell if these are stickers or like just little cards, but they came with everyone as well. I guess you guys can join me in the next one.